Hey guys, so as you can tell, my hair is in need of a serious wash. So I'm going to first start off by using the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. And I'm going to pour about this much into my palm. And then I'm going to go ahead and distribute that throughout my scalp. And I'm making sure to really get in there. And what I love about this shampoo is that it's paraben-free and sulfate-free. So, this works great on us curly girls. And then I'm just going to go rinse that out. Then I'm taking the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner. And I section my hair into 2 parts. As you can see, I'm struggling to get this out the bottle. I'll take this much conditioner and distribute it throughout 1/2 of my hair. Now I'm taking my wide tooth comb and I'm going to start detangling my hair. It's important with curly hair to remember to always start from the bottom and work your way up. That way you're not pulling and tugging at your hair and creating damage and causing split ends. Now I'm going to go ahead and do those same 2 steps, but for the other side. Then I'm going to rinse out all the conditioner. Now it's time for the styling products. First, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and part my hair in the middle. I'm using the Tgin Green Tea Leave-In Conditioner. I'm taking this clip and sectioning my hair into 4 parts. Each section is about this big, and then I'll just take the rest of my hair and pin it up. Then I'll take a dime-sized amount of that leave-in conditioner and finger rake that throughout my hair. And what I love about this leave-in conditioner is that it does an amazing job of clumping my curls together. I don't like to use a Denman brush because when I do use it, my hair shrinks too much and I don't like that look. But with my fingers alone, this leave-in conditioner gets the job done. And if you watched my previous curly hair tutorial, then you know that I used to use the DevaCurl Believe-In. And I stopped using it because the consistency of this product is way better. It's a lot thicker and it distributes a lot better with my really thick curly hair. This side is done. Now I'm going to do the same 2 steps for the other side and then come back and apply my next styling product. I'm going to take the DevaCurl Super Cream and I'm going to take about 4 pumps. And I'm going to distribute this throughout one side of my hair. When I do this step, I usually like to scrunch the bottom of my hair to kind of give my curls a little bit more definition. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, taking 4 pumps and distributing that throughout the entire half of my head. Now that my product's all in my hair, I usually like to let my hair sit and air dry for about 20 minutes while I go and do other things. Then I like to go back and diffuse. I love diffusing. I always diffuse my hair. Whenever anyone asks, how do you get your hair so big? I always tell them it's because I use a diffuser. It gives your hair tons of volume and makes your curls really bouncy and soft. And if you ever have any crunch left from your product, the diffuser helps to get that crunch out of your hair and leaves you with really soft curls. When I first start off diffusing my hair though, I don't like to touch my hair with the diffuser. I just take the air and blow it around my hair, and this helps with minimizing frizz. Say hi. Hi. He's like, I don't want to be here. Look at his crooked nose. Isn't he so cute? You know he's mad at me when he doesn't look at me. Sully. 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 Oh. Wow. Now I'm just going to go in and diffuse my hair the normal way. And this is how I get my volume and my extreme curl definition. And as you can see, I like to flip my hair in all sorts of directions when I'm doing this. Sideways, upside down, backwards, whichever I'm feeling at the moment. And this is the final result. If you guys would like to see more curly hair videos, please leave suggestions down below. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.